Have you noticed how many food related idioms there are in English? Question mark. We talk about the big cheese bringing home the bacon and describe something as being open single quotes, not my cup of tea, close single quotes, comma. But what does it all mean? Question mark. New paragraph. The big cheese is a boss or someone who is influential. Period. If we say someone is bringing home the bacon, we mean that this person is earning money. Period. If the person who is bringing home the bacon is also the breadwinner, comma, then we mean that this person is not only earning money, comma, but they are responsible for earning money to support their entire household. Open parentheses, or at least they are responsible for earning the majority of money needed to support their household. Close parentheses. Period. New paragraph. When we say something is selling like hot cakes, comma, it means it's selling really quickly and it's very popular. Period. If something isn't your cup of tea, comma, it means it's something you don't like, and if someone says they have bigger fish to fry, comma, it means they have more important things to do or to attend to. Period. New paragraph. So, comma, what do you think about all these food idioms? Question mark. Do they add a little extra flavor to the English language, or aren't they your cup of tea? Question mark.